Okay, hi, good days everyone. This is User Tip Trader 8 giving you a forex trading strategy for weekly analysis for this week. So as you know, a couple of weeks ago I made the YouTube video for the GBP for the Euro USD and XAU USD for the gold. I think it went well and I hope you gain profit from it. So I'm going to discuss to you through this YouTube for the trading strategy and how to trade a Forex and gain a huge profit from a strong trend pairs like Bitcoins, XAU USD or gold, GBP USD and Euro USD. You can have a look at this analysis and make a preference on it and then get profit from this trading strategy. This trading strategy is a follow trend strategy, a simple one, but it's included with the price action and also calculated risk that you can really minimize it up to 0%, if I may say that, or if you can very limited risk with high probability gain when you take this strategy. Okay, you can prove it, and then let me show you how. All right. So first of all, I would like to discuss about the highlights of this forex trading strategy. I think most of you already knows this couple of weeks Euro USD, GBP USD already surged throughout the weeks, this couple of weeks, and mainly this due to the uncertainty at America, where their situation uh, uh, still uncertain towards the Trump action and also towards the COVID-19 impact and also the GDP, the economical scale, the economical fundamental that still try to recuperate about this lockdown. Okay, as a result, this week the American statistics shown that they have decreased their economy or their GDP to 32.9%, and this is the lowest ever number that is already been hit for the GDP since the Great Recession. Okay, however, there is a potential side on it. So what we need to do is watch out for the next week agenda, where we can gain or we can take advantage of it. All right. So as you know, starting on Monday, and then the peak will be on Friday. I think there will be a lot of statistical data or report that's coming in for America and also for United Kingdom or GBP, right? And also some of area in New Zealand dollar and also for Australian dollar. But mainly we're going to focus on US dollar, where the ISM manufacturing will be held at on this Monday, right? And also on Friday there will be 8:30 or 8:30 a.m., 7:30 a.m. or 7:30 my time. So there will be NFP, non-farm payroll, whether it's going to be improving or getting worse. If getting worse, then I believe that US dollar gonna weaken some more. But if it is improving, I think there will be some correction on the XAU, GBP, and also Euro. However, throughout this Monday to Thursday, I think they're going to be much more increase, but all the traders should be aware about the correction is going to come up, because the rally is already happening for 2 weeks, and then it is upcoming month of August. I think there will be slightly a decrease or correction that's going to happen to this major strong trend. Now I'm going to show to you how to get it and how to follow the trend of these strong trend pairs. Okay, Right, so we're moving on to this first. I think the correction has already begin for Bitcoin, BTC USD. I'm using the trading view for this. Okay, so BTC USD, I think this Bitcoin is up to go as well. However, there is a take profit action that's happening in global world right now. I think because it's already rallied since July 20th, I think, and it's going to happen some correction where I think the rebound is going to happen right here. So we just wait, I think, one another day, where it's going to be a green candle that hopefully is going to happen 1 or 2 days, right? If not going to happen, then the rebound probably is going to happen on 10.0267. So if not, then we just wait for another correction. We should change our trading strategy to a sideways strategy, but until that moment, I think follow the trend strategy going to be a good probability to win. So it has a win ratio that is very good if we follow the trend. Now, how we going to follow the trend? I think it's going to be quite easy with the simple approach from the price action. So wait until he's down and finish down, and then when it goes up like this, you can put it here, right? You can put it here when it's up. Okay, you just take put on long position or buy position, and then wait until 1.800. Okay, 12800. That's for Bitcoin. Right now, I think on a 1 hour basis, I think it's already happened. You can put your strategy here in 1.1200, right? Wait, I believe I should wait here first, right? But if it's happening right now, if it is happening right now, you can see the average movement for directional movement is going to be appear on a green after above 20, then you can take it. Right now you're still waiting. I believe we should wait first, right? So after that, when it's confirmed, my strategy would be wait until 1 further days. If one green candle coming up, then it's good to go. Put your stop loss here below, and then first take profit will be here, second take profit will be there. Okay, all right. Why is there? Now you can look at to your left, then you can see there will be resistance on it right here, so you can take it. Oh, sorry. Okay, so you can take it here, wait until this area, and then you can take profit again. Okay, let me put it here. Okay, right. So it's good number, I think. So you can use that for your as a reference for your Bitcoin trading strategy. Moving on to the gold, to the commodity XAUUSD. I believe it's already have a long run, right? If you can see that, but I think she still have a gas on their tank, right? So I believe that he's going to go to up to 2000 again, I think, and then after that, probably during the MFP period there will be a correction, but in here still going strong. But however, still I think we should be aware or precautious about the correction movement that's going to happen, right? So what is going to do, I believe I use the the weekly forecast. So I think they're going to happen like this. There will be a major correction towards the 1887, right? Or probably here, right? So we just have to wait. It's quite volatile market in gold commodity, but however, if you use the major or bigger time frame, you can see it's very easy to what do you call it, um to see the trend line, to see the trend pattern on it. All right, here you go. Okay, so yeah, we just wait. I think for now you should be precautious. I think they're going to go or move up to 2000, probably 2100, until the certain level at during when the MFE is coming in. Hopefully the MFE is going, the result is going to come good, so there will be a correction on it. However, if there is still what do you call, a small correction happening after the NFP, then for XAU or gold probably is going to come up to 2500, okay, or 2300. All right, guys. So moving on to GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD. Here you go. Okay, so there will be a correction in GBP USD. I put it in 4H or 4-hour time frame. So usually they're going to do a correction here to the and then we'll do a rebound on it. So they're going to usually going to rebound on this trend, what do you call, moving average trend line. So here you can see it, here you can see it, right? So probably is going to rebound here, right? And then after that going to continue. However, you should be aware about these dates, especially on the Friday, about the MFP, or before that, if Donald Trump is coming in with the stimulus, or the Fed's going to coming in with the stimulus, that's going to happen, which is the implementation. If not, if it already talk, then will be a bullshit on it. Okay, so wait until H4. If it is bounced like here, then take it, put your stop loss below that, follow the trend. I believe it's going to do a profit, a good profit for you, right? When it's happened, the MFP, put your stop loss all together, maintain your stop loss plus, meaning above your open position. Then if it is happened, then it will be your cut loss or your stop loss, or you take profit. If it is not, then you just follow the trend. Okay, same here with the Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD is going to go again. I think if it is going to go baseline towards the time frame or moving average of 4 hours, then they're going to rebound to this area, right? Let me square it for you. Okay, so it's going to enter to this area, but I believe that because they are starting their rally, I think it's quite before the GBP and USD. So I think they're going to do a correction much further or much sooner than the GBP and XAU. So let's see. If it is going to bounce like this, then you can take it. I mean, you can put up open position on it. If not, then you can go down and wait and see. I don't see a good risk reward ratio if you put it a counter trend. Why? Because the risk is quite high, because you are while you're fighting the long trend or the strongest trend. So the most probable action that you can do is wait until the pair rebound again, and then take the follow the trend position, or follow the trend strategy. Okay, so that's all for my side, guys. So hopefully it's going to help you to do the forex trading strategy, especially for the beginner, and hope you like it. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel in here, and then I will give you my weekly review. Just put it here, like and subscribe, and then I will put a review hopefully once a week. Okay, thank you guys, see you, and have a profit week ahead of you. Thank you. Tape trader users shining out. Bye bye.